how to not get banned from Quora. Now, if you don't want to get banned from Quora, then you should not spam your questions or random contents on Quora, and then you should not harass and bully someone in there for any reason, or you should not promote hate speech, and you should not do harmful activities and self-harm in the Quora, and also sexual exploitation and abuse is banned from Quora. And in order to better understand all of the rules of the Quora which might get you banned, you should go to your browser and search for Quora community guidelines, and then this first link from Quora appears which says platform policies Quora Help Center. Simply open it in order to know all of the community guidelines, to know what gets you banned and what keeps you safe in the Quora. And by reading it, you can have all of the idea about that, and your account will be safe in Quora. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.